Today we're going to make super cute, easy ornaments out of Funko Pops or Pocket Pops. Supplies that you're going to need are Funkos, ribbon, jewelry pliers, scissors, and iHooks. I'm first going to start with the easiest ones, which are the keychains, because all you have to do is remove the keychain portion and add your ribbon. I did leave one of the keychain links so that I could add the ribbon through there because the little rubbery nub that is on the Funko itself is rather small and hard to put the ribbon through, so I did leave one of the keychain links to add the ribbon, like so. Just continue doing this to all of your keychain Funkos. Moving on to the mystery Funkos, these are a little different. You're gonna need iHooks for these. These are Tim Holtz iHooks. I just got these on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. All I did was take these iHooks and screw them into the top of the Funkos. And before people go crazy because I altered these Funkos, it's okay. These were extra duplicates or so forth, ones that I didn't need in my collection. So I decided to make them into ornaments like I am. So again, you just take the iHooks, screw them into the top of the head or wherever it may be, and just add your ribbon through the iHook. You have to use a little bit of force to get these iHooks in. It's kind of dense plastic, so just give it a little bit of a push while you're screwing. Nagini was the hardest one. That one gave me a little bit of a difficult. It wasn't as squishy of a head as the other ones, but I eventually got it in. It just took me a couple go rounds, but I got it. These were so easy and they turned out really cute. I'm glad I was able to utilize keychains that I wouldn't normally use. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can check out other cool Harry Potter videos that I do.